Hello, you Cherries fans, and welcome to the Afcb Talk Show, episode 3. This is the December monthly roundup. You see, sorry I haven't done this for a while, but we got January coming out next week, and we're a bit behind, aren't we, Greg?
Yeah, we are. To be fair, well, yeah, that's just how we roll on this channel here.
Yeah, so
inconsistencies, just like the teams.
Yeah.
You know.
So first, we're going to talk about Manchester City away. What are your opinions on that?
To be fair, Man City, I was very proud of the team. I mean, we didn't go there expecting to get anything. We equalised, scored a goal. Should have had a penalty, 2-1, which completely would have changed the game. Clear penalty. So that was disappointing, but I was really proud of the team because to go to a place like City and to match them for large parts of the game, it's a very pleasing thing. It was a good defensive display, although Sterling did get his usual goal against us.
Yeah.
That's something I'd like to not see happen whenever we play City next. It's March. But yeah, I was very proud of the performance. I don't know about you, but I
was quite happy. Wasn't too bad. But then, the game after that, Huddersfield.
Christ, Huddersfield, bloody hell.
Were awful.
We were terrible. We are absolutely indebted to the defence and Asmir Begovic for that win. Because we started off alright, scored 2 quick goals, nice goals as well, set piece and a good goal, good counter for Ryan Fraser.
Yeah.
But then we just fell downhill. It was honestly one of the worst performances of the season. Like, even though we won, every time we got the ball, we just seemed to come back to Huddersfield, and thank God it was only Huddersfield, because it was a good team, would have been torn apart, but the centre-backs played very well, and Asmir made some cracking saves.
Yeah.
Well, see, probably the worst thing about that game being the ACL to Lewis Cook.
Yes.
But that was devastating. That was the day we lost Lewis, even though he played on somehow. But no, that was we've really missed him since then. I don't know if we touched on that in the transfer window thing, but yeah, we really have missed him because he's creative. I mean, Sturman Goldthwing is okay when you've got someone like Brooks there, but without Brooks as we are at the moment, there's just no creativity there. I thought Lewis Cook, he does bring that creativity, so it's sad not to have him in the team, but hopefully he'll be back stronger, fitter than ever for next season, and who knows, maybe he could replace in the Euros.
Yeah, so talking about not getting battered by Huddersfield, the next game, it was a Steve Cook masterclass, honestly, 3 mistakes. So that could have been easily 0-0 against Liverpool. Keeper mistake and an offside for the first goal.
Yeah.
Second goal, Cook makes a mistake. Third goal, Cook makes a mistake. I think it's an own goal, isn't it?
Yeah, the third was an own goal,
and the fourth, he makes another mistake.
I think we look at things like, for example, a Chelsea game, I'm sure we'll come on to that in a few episodes' time. Chelsea game, 0-0, Arthur Borich makes an amazing save. So that could completely change the game. It could have been another Liverpool had Borich not made that save. Mm-hmm. If you look, right now West Ham playing Liverpool, and I think it's still 1-1-1-1. So it shows if you can contain Liverpool, you never know. I mean, maybe if Arthur had been playing, he wouldn't have made that mistake. Yes, it was offside, but maybe he wouldn't have made the mistake. 0-0 at half-time. Completely different game.
It's just, we're just getting loss after loss after loss at this point.
Yeah, it's not a fun episode, this one.
Wolves. Where do we start with Wolves?
Where do we start with Wolves?
When you're only shot on target in the first half is a long shot from Jefferson Lerma.
That's not true. Josh King should have scored in the first couple of minutes, but he went through 1-on-1. I don't know what he did. I think he just hit it straight at Patricio. But after that, we didn't
it was awful.
Have a chance.
First
we literally didn't have a chance after that.
First goal, Daniels, don't play it across your box. Well, it wasn't your box, it was the middle of the pitch.
By the defending after that.
Mings,
just could have watched his man there.
Is that Mepham? Mepham's in the team earlier, is he?
Daniels' fault.
If Mepham's in the team, is he dealing with that? Don't know, but
I don't know.
Stanis that's hitting the bar.
it's hard to have a go at Mings for that. I mean, that was mainly Daniel's fault, to be honest.
You got to think about it. If the first one doesn't go in, the second one doesn't go in either.
I think that's the story of our life.
You get a 0-0 draw away at a very solid Wolves team, and you're loving life.
Yeah.
But a mistake, it's another mistake. At this point, we're getting mistakes after mistakes every single week. And we actually get on to a more positive note in the next game. Chelsea in the Carabao Cup. We do lose 1-0, but it was a very good performance, I think. We played well with nice counter-attacking football. Fans were on fire. But
I agree. I mean, obviously we've had some great away days this season in Fulham and Watford, but that's up there as one of my favourites. Again, like City, I was so proud of the team. It was a makeshift team. We had 3 centre mids, and none of them were actually centre midfielders. And everyone was just pretty class, to be honest.
Yeah,
like Jordan Ibe had one of his best games in the Bournemouth shirt.
Right wing back.
Simpson looked class.
Brilliant.
Mousse had his best game in the Bournemouth shirt. Shame that Wilson couldn't finish off a couple of chances.
Wilson should have scored in the first half.
Quite lucky. Yeah, they had to bring on Hazard. He scored a jammy, deflected goal. It's a shame right at the end with the free kick. We just couldn't turn it in. Wilson and Cook just left it for each other and ended up hitting it. One of the players would have been absolute scenes if that had gone in. And then straight to penalties, I think. So it would have been very interesting to see how that had gone. But no, I was so proud of the team that day. I don't know about you, but
so I don't know if that actually made us into a bit of a positive feel for the club as playing really well. So we went on to beat Brighton 2-0. It was a massive win. If we didn't win that, there'll be questions asked. And it was a bit of a Brooks masterclass. He sort of his first goal, brilliant. But how do Brighton let him have that much room? It was so easy.
Both of the goals were pretty stunning in their own ways. The first goal, individual brilliance with his feet, and that header for the second goal was simply stunning.
We are missing him so much at the moment.
We really are. I didn't realise how much we'd miss him until we didn't have him in the team.
Yeah, but I was in these sort of games, like the chance he missed against Tottenham. To go on to a couple of good performances, but when you get into Liverpool, Huddersfield, City, he didn't do a lot. He's either really in the game or really out the game, and I think we're getting more in the game now for Brooks.
Yeah,
I just hope that Tottenham don't go and buy him for 50 million. So it's still seeing that going round that Tottenham will buy him. You've got to hope that won't happen.
Back off.
But the last 2 games of the episode aren't the best.
God, really not.
For Tottenham, I don't actually want to really talk about Tottenham.
I mean, obviously, as we just mentioned, I think Brooks could have made it 1-0, and that is a completely different game. For those 14 minutes or whatever it was before Ericsson scored, I'm not even trying to have a joke here. For those 14 minutes, we were on par with Tottenham, if not looking more dangerous. They score a deflected goal through Ericsson, and all of a sudden the heads just absolutely drop, and it's so annoying because I could just tell as soon as we conceded we weren't going to be able to get back into the game. Our best chances came after we were 3-0 down, so it shows you all you need to know. I think
the manner of the goals we conceded was
they were awful.
The first goal, right, there's nothing you can do about. It's a deflection. Second goal, mistake. Third goal, you've got to watch the players on the edge of the box. They're doing it all the first half. They're just hoofing out to Kyle Walker-Peters. He just played it to the edge of the box and someone was there just to smack it. It's literally
it's true.
And then the fourth goal, no one's watching Harry Kane. Fifth goal is just plain stupid. It's just awful.
That was the worst goal. Jesus, that was just poor. And then to let Son just walk in like that. Oh, bad memories.
Well, the next game is United. I thought that could have turned out a lot more different if a few decisions, individual errors.
We did start terribly again after 5 minutes letting them score. you know, you're never really going to get back into the game at Old Trafford, especially with their new manager, Ole Gunnar Solskjaer.
But it's just another mistake from Begovic. Pogba's second. What are you doing?
Yeah.
What is he doing?
I mean, we got
Lukaku's offside.
Now, so.
Lukaku's offside.
Lukaku's should have. I don't know how
Young should have got sent off, shouldn't he? Young should have got sent off in the first half.
Young should have been sent off. Bailly should have been sent off before he got sent off.
Should have had a penalty, shouldn't we?
We did manage to find a way back into the game. It was a good goal from a corner. Good little routine there. But then, how we didn't get a penalty at 3-1, I never know. Because let's be honest, at 3-1, score the penalty, such a different game. It is such a different game. And yeah, Young should have been sent off. Bailly should have been sent off before he got sent off, as I've said. So, again, officials cost us.
Officials
that seemed
are
to be something
awful.
we said a lot.
Officials are poor.
Recently.
Liverpool's first goal was offside today.
Yep.
Even against West Ham today, their goal was miles offside. Just
every week,
you're just hearing stories about how there's more offsides.
It finished 1-1 by the way. Liverpool, West Ham.
But it's getting more worse and worse decisions every single week.
Yeah.
Yeah, so guys, hope you enjoyed that video. The next monthly roundup will be out in the next couple of weeks. And I expect a career mode in the next couple of days. Episode 2, I've sort of forgot to do that. That will come out. Help the charity in all departments. Hopefully, we can get a win. So next game. Forgot. Liverpool. Hopefully we can start. We don't want Liverpool to win the league. City win the league. We can beat them.
Yeah.
Right. And peace.